In the last lecture, we see the how to multiply the two matrices, that is the multiplication of the matrices. Okay. To find the multiplication of the two matrices, there is a condition, that is the column number of the first matrix and the row number of the second matrix are same. Okay. And for the multiplication, the process is we multiply the row and column, row from the first matrix and column from the second matrix. Okay. Here multiplication is the addition of the product of the corresponding elements in row from the first matrix and the column from the second matrix. Okay. Here we multiply first row, first column, then we multiply first row, second column, row from the first matrix and column from the second matrix. Okay. Now we see the examples in the exercise 4.6. Okay. There is a first example. Evaluate. Evaluate. First example it is. Here 3, 2, 1. Here given the product of the two matrices into 2 minus 4 and it is a 3. And the second example is 2 minus 1, 3 into, here it is a 4, 3 and 1. Now we solve the examples one by one. First we see the example. It is first. Here for the first example we find this product. Okay. Here first row, it is first matrix, it is a 3, 2 and 1, and here the second matrix, it is a 2 minus 4 and it is a 3. Okay. See carefully, the order of the first matrix, it is a 3 by 1 and the order of the second matrix, it is 1 by 3. Okay. Here order of this matrix, okay, it is not necessary to write, it is a 3 by 1 and the order of this, it is a 1 by 3. Okay. Here the column number of the first matrix and the row number of the second matrix are the same. Then the resultant, the order of the product of matrix, it is a 3 by 3. Okay. Now we can find it. Here, okay, the product is, see carefully, here first row, first column, it is a first row, first column, it is a 3 into 2. Then first row, second column, it is a 3 into minus 4. Then first row, third column, it is a 3 into 3. Okay. Here first row multiply by first row, first column, then first row, second column and then first row, third column. Now here the columns simply, then आता काय करणार, second row, first column, that is a 2 into 2, 2 into minus 4, second row, second column and second row, third column. Now third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column, it is a 1 into 2, 1 into minus 4 and it is 1 into 3. Okay. And then the resultant, it is 6 minus 12, 9, 4 minus 8, it is a 6, 2 minus 4, it is a 3. Here it is a product of these two matrices. Okay. Here the order, it is 1 by 3 by 1 and it is 1 by 3. Okay. Order cannot be necessary to write this. Now we can find the second. See carefully the second matrix. It is 2 minus 1, 3, 2 minus 1 and 3, and here product with this matrix 4, 3, 1, 4, 3 and 1. See carefully, the order of the first matrix, it is a 1 by 3 and order of the second matrix, it is a 3 by 1. Okay, here reverse. Okay. Now the column number of the first matrix and the row number of the second matrix are the same, then here product is exist. Now we can product, then the resultant matrix, the order of the resultant matrix, it is a 1 by 1. 1 by 1. Okay. Now see carefully. Here first row, first column, there is only one row and it is only one column, therefore we get first row, first column element only. Then first element into first element, 2 into 4 plus minus 1 into 3, second element into second element, and then last it is a plus third element into third element, and then it is 8 minus 3 and it is a plus 3. Then we get it is a 8, and this matrix, it is a 1 by 1 matrix. Okay. The product of, see carefully, product of these two matrices, it is a 3 by 3, and product of these two matrices, it is a 1 by 1. Okay. Now we see the second example. Okay. See carefully this. Now the second, if matrix A is equal to 1 minus 3 4 2 and matrix B is equal to 4 1 3 and minus 2, then show that AB, product of AB is not equal to BA. Now here the given matrix is A 1 minus 3 4 2, and then B 4 1 3 minus 2 are the given matrices. We want to show that the A into B is not equal to B into A. Okay, A into B. First we find A into B. Therefore A into B is equal to matrix A 1 minus 3 4 2, matrix B, here it is a 4 1 3 and it is a minus 2. Okay. Now the matrix A into B, it is first row first column, then first row second column. Okay. Here we multiply the corresponding elements in the first row and first column, then multiply the corresponding element in the first row and the second column. Okay, and adding them, 1 into 4 1 into 4 plus minus 3 into 3. Here it is a first row first column. Now first row second column, 1 into 1 plus minus 3 into minus 2. Okay, it is a first row second column. Okay, now we take the second row first column, it is a 4 into 4 plus 2 into 3. First row, it is a second row first column. Now second row second column, 4 into 1 plus 2 into minus 2. Okay, here, and then it is here 4 minus 9, 4 minus 9, then 1 plus 6, it is a 1 and it is a plus 6, then it is a 16 plus 6, 16 plus 6, then here 4 and it is a minus 4, 4 and it is minus 4, and then it is minus 5, 7. It is a 22. It is a 0. Here it is equation number 1. We can find the A into B. Minus 5, 7. It is a 22 and it is a 0. Now we find B into A. See carefully. Here we can write the matrix B first. It is a 4, 1, 3 and a minus 2. We can write the matrix B first. It is a B and A. 1, minus 3, 4, 2. Okay. Now again multiplication it is the same. Now here A is the first matrix and B is the second matrix. Okay. So we take a row from the first matrix and column from the second matrix. Here B is the first matrix and A is the second matrix. So we take row from this first matrix, that is the B, and column from the second matrix, that is the A. Therefore it is a first row, first column. 4 into 1 plus 1 into 4. See carefully. 4 into 1 and here it is 1 into 4. First row, first column. Now first row, second column. 4 into minus 3 plus 1 into 2. 4 into minus 3 and 1 into 2. First row, second column. Now second row, first column. 3 into 1 plus minus 2 into 4. Second row, second column. 3 into minus 3 plus minus 2 into 2. Okay, here it is the first row, first column. First row, second column. It is second row, first column, and second row, second column. Now we take the calculations. Therefore BA is equal to, it is 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. Then here minus 12 plus 2. Minus 12 plus 2. Then it is a 3 minus 8. And then here minus 9 minus 4. Minus 9 minus 4. And now this is 8 minus 10 minus 5. It is a minus 13. It is equation number 2. And from 1 and 2, here it is clear that it is equation number 1. A into B, it is minus 5, 7, 22, 0. But here 8 minus 10 minus 5 minus 13. Order is same, but corresponding elements are not same. Therefore these two matrices are not equal. A into B is not equal to B into A. Okay, here it is a matrix multiplication. In our number multiplication, 4 into 5 is equal to 5 into 4. But in the matrix multiplication, A into B is not equal to B into A. Okay, A into B is not equal to B into A. That means the matrix multiplication is not commutative. Here in our general number, 3 into 2, 6, and 2 into 3 is also 6. 4 plus 5 and 5 plus 4 are same. In the addition of the matrices is commutative. A plus B is equal to B plus A. We all learned in the last lecture. Addition of the matrices, it is a commutative. But the multiplication of two matrices is not commutative. A into B is not equal to B into A. Okay, here A into B is not equal to B into A. Suppose for example, you can see A matrix. It is 1, 2, 3, 1. And the B matrix. 5 and 6. Okay, see carefully. Here the order of these two matrices, it is 2 by 2 and it is 2 by 1. Okay, the column number of first matrix and row number of the second matrix are the same. Therefore A into B exists. A into B exists. But when we find B into A, see carefully, when we find B into A, okay, or it is a B, when we take the B first, it is a 2 by 1 and A, it is a 2 by 2. Then column number of first matrix and the row number of the second matrix are not same, therefore BA not exist. Okay, here see carefully. That means A into B is not equal to B into A. A into B is not equal to B into A. There are some cases when A into B and B into A are the same. Okay, here there are some cases. It is A into B, the matrix A into B is equal to B into A are the same. Okay, there are some cases. Then, okay, here A into B is equal to B into A. Okay, there are some cases. Okay, and if the product is I, then these two matrices are called the inverse of each other. Okay, there are some cases where A into B is equal to B into A, but in general A into B is not equal to B into A. Okay, this is the condition for the inverse of the matrix. A into B is equal to B into A, and then the product of these two matrices is I. Okay, here it's called the inverse of the matrices. Okay, हे आपण नंतर 12वीला पाहणारच आहेत इनव्हर्स. ओके, हा प्रॉब्लेम केअरफुली पहा. ओके, हिअर प्रॉब्लेम इथपर्यंत संपला. ओके, हे फक्त तुम्हाला डिस्क्रिप्शन सांगितले की A into B exists, but here B into A does not exist. Okay, now we see the next example. Now next, third example. If A minus 1 1 1 2 3 0 1 minus 3 1 and B 2 1 4 2 1 4 3 0 2 and 1 2 1. State whether A into B is equal to B into A. Justify your answer. Justify your answer. Now, first we find A into B, then we find the B into A. If both are the equal, then we can say AB is equal to BA. But if the both are not equal, then AB is not equal to BA. Okay. In the last example, we see the AB is not equal to BA. Okay, that is the matrix multiplication is not commutative. In a special cases, if AB is equal to BA, then the matrices are the inverse of the each other. Okay, here inverse of matrix. What is the inverse of matrix? A into BA is equal to B into A is equal to identity matrix. Okay, here the inverse of matrix we learn in a class 12. Okay, now here we check AB is equal to BA or not. Okay, now first we find the A into B. Okay, now we can directly write A into B. Given matrices, we can write given matrices A and B. Here given the A minus 1 1 1 2 3 0 1 minus 3 1 and matrix B 2 1 4 3 0 2 1 2, 1. Okay, now first we find A into B. Therefore the matrix A, minus 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, minus 3, 1, into 2, 1, 4, 3, 0, 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay, here we take the multiplication of these two matrices. It is order 3 by 3. Okay, it is a 3 by 3 and it is a 3 by 3. That means the column of the first matrix and the row of the second matrix are the same. For the multiplication, we take the row from the first matrix and the column from the second matrix. Okay, now here we can directly write the multiplication, that is the product. Okay, here multiplication is the product of sum of the product of corresponding elements in the row of the first matrix and column of the second matrix. Now here it is a first row and it is a first column. We can write directly product of the corresponding elements. Okay, here see carefully, it is a minus 1 into 2, it is a minus 2. We can directly write the product, plus 1 into 3, it is a 3, plus 1 into 1, it is a plus 1. Okay, here it is a first row first column element, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, 1 into 3, it is a 3, and 1 into 1, it is a 1. Now first row second column, see carefully, 1 into, sorry, it is a minus 1 into 1, it is a minus 1, 1 into 0, it is a 0, and 1 into 2, it is a plus 2. Okay, first row second column. Now first row third column, minus 1 into 4, it is a minus 4, 1 into 2, it is a plus 2, and 1 into 1, it is a plus 1. Now here it is a first row first column, first row second column, and it is a first row third column. First row first column, we get this. First row second column, we get this. First row third column, we get this. Now we take the second row. Okay, second row first column, see carefully, in the second row it is a first element in the second row, the first element in the column, second element, third element, see carefully, that is a 2 into 2, it is a 4, plus 3 into 3, it is a 9, and plus 0 into 1, it is a 0, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, and it is a 0 into 1. Now second row and second column. Okay, here concentrate, here second row and it is a second column. Okay, here फक्त सेकंड रो आणि सेकंड कॉलमच पहा, बाकीचे एलिमिनेट करा. ओके, केअरफुली सेकंड रो and it is a second column. 2 into 1, it is a 2, 3 into 0, it is a 0, and again it is a 0 into this 2, it is a 0. Okay, second row second column, 2 into 1, 2, 3 into 0, 0, and 0 into 2, 0. Now second row third column, 2 into 4, we can write directly 8, 3 into 2, it is a 6, and 0 into this 1, it is a 0. Okay. Now third row first column, here आता carefully फक्त third row आणि first column पहा. Okay, third row 1 into 2, it is a 2, minus 3 into 3, minus 3 into 3, it is a minus 9, and here 1 into 1, it is a plus 1. Again here third row second column, 1 into 1, it is a 1, minus 3 into 0, it is a 0, and 1 into 2, it is a 2. Then third row third column, 1 into 4, it is a 4, minus 3 into 2, it is a minus 6, and 1 into 1, it is a plus 1. Here see carefully, this is a multiplication. First row first column, first row second column, first row third column. Here it is a first row, then second row first column, second row second column, and it is the second row third column, third row first column, third row second column, and it is the third row third column. And therefore AB is equal to, here minus 2 plus 3, it is 1, therefore it is a 2. Okay, see carefully the calculation, it is a 1, minus 1 plus 0, minus 2, and it is a plus 3, it is a minus 1, then it is a 13, then it is a 2, it is a 14, Okay, and last it is 2 minus 9, it is a minus 7. Minus 7 plus 1, it is a minus 6. 1, 0 and 2, it is a 3. And then 4 minus 6, it is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1, it is a minus 1. It is equation number 1. We find it is a AB. Now we find BA. BA. We write the first matrix, it is a B. 2 1 4. 2 1 4. 3 0 2. And 1 2 1. It is a matrix B. Now we can write the matrix A. Minus 1 1 1. Minus 1 1 1. 2 3 0. 2 3 0. And it is 1 minus 3 1. Now we take this product BA. Okay, same procedure. First row, first column. First row, second column. Now here the matrix B is the first matrix. Therefore it is a first row, first column. Okay, see carefully. First row, first column. Okay, 2 into minus 1, minus 2. 1 into 2, it is a plus 2. And 4 into this 1, it is a plus 4. See carefully. First row, first column. Now, first row, second column. First row it is a 2, 1, 4. And second row 1, 3, minus 3. 2 into 1, it is a 2. 1 into 3, it is a 3. And 4 into minus 3, it is a minus 12. It is first row and second column. It is addition of product of the corresponding elements in the first row and second column. Now, first row, third column. It is a 2 plus 0 and it is a plus 4. Okay, see carefully. 2 1 4 and it is 1 0 1. 2 into 1 2. 1 into 0 0 and 4 into 1 it is a 4. Now we take second row, first column. 3 into minus 1, it is a minus 3. 0 into 2, it is a 0. And 2 into 1, it is a plus 2. Then second row, second column. 3 into 1, it is a 3. 0 into 3, it is a 0. And 2 into minus 3, it is a minus 6. Okay. 2 into minus 6, it is a second row, second column. Second row, second column. Now it is a second row, third column. Second row, third column. 3 plus 0 and plus 2. 3, 0 into 0 and 2 into 1. It is a 2. Now, third row, first column. Third row, second column. And it is a third row, third column. Third row, first column. Minus 1, plus 4 and plus 1. Minus 1, plus 4 and plus 1. Then, third row, second column. 1 into 1, 1. Plus 2 into 3, 6. And plus 1 into minus 3, it is a minus 3. 1 into this minus 3. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 0, it is a 0. And 1 into 1, it is a plus 1. Okay. And now we take the addition. Here 2 minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled. Here it is a 4. Then here 5 minus 12, it is a minus 7. 2 plus 4, it is a 6. Minus 3 plus 2, it is a minus 1. 3 minus 6, it is a minus 3. 3 plus 2, it is a 5. 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Here it is a 4. It is a 7 minus 3, again 4. 1 plus 1, it is a 2. It is a BA. And it is equation number 2. Okay. And from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. AB is not equal to BA. AB and BA, the order of two matrices is same, but the corresponding elements are not same. 1 position here 2 and here 1 position it is a 4. Okay, here corresponding elements are not same, therefore these two matrices are not equal. Therefore AB is not equal to BA. Now we see the next example. Now next, the fourth example. Show that AB is equal to BA where number 1 A minus 2 3 minus 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 minus 6 9 and minus 4. And second matrix B, it is 1 3 minus 1 2 2 minus 1 3 0 minus 1. Now we have to show A into B is equal to B into A. Here, if A equal to A into B equal to B into A, in the matrix multiplication there is A into B is not equal to B into A, but in this case A equal to B, A into B is equal to B into A. That means these two matrices here, if the product A into B is equal to B into A is equal to identity matrix, that is I, that means these two matrices are the inverse of each other. Okay, there are some special cases for the matrix multiplication is a commutative. Okay, matrix multiplication is not commutative. A into B is not equal to B into A, but such type of the cases in the inverse of the matrix. Okay, now check this. The solution, first we find the A into B. Here, minus 2 3 minus 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 minus 6 9 minus 4. One 3 minus 1 2 2 minus 1 3 0 and it is minus 1. Okay, now we multiply A into B. Okay, now A into B multiplication, it is first row first column, then first row second column, then first row third column. Now see carefully, first row first column, 2 minus 2 into 1, it is a minus 2, 3 into 2, it is a plus 6, and minus 1 into 3, it is minus 3. Okay, it is a first row first column element. Now first row second column, minus 2 into 3, it is a minus 6, plus 6 and plus 0. Minus 2 into 3, minus 6. 3 into 2, it is 6, and minus 1 into 0, it is 0. Now first row third column, minus 2 into minus 1, it is a 2. 3 into minus 1, it is a minus 3, and minus 1 into minus 1, it is a plus 1. Okay, first row first column, first row second column, and it is a first row third column. Now take the second row first column, then second row second column, and then second row third column. Now second row first column, minus 1 into 1, it is a minus 1. 2 into 2, it is a plus 4, and minus 1 into 3, it is a minus 3. Then second row second column, minus 3 plus 4 and plus 0. Okay, then second row third column, it is a 1, minus 1 into 1, it is a 1. 2 into minus 1, it is a minus 2, and again minus 1 into minus 1, it is a plus 1. Okay, here it is a second row second column, second row first column, second row second column, and it is a second row third column. Now third row first column, third row second column, and third row third column, it is a third row and it is a first column, so it is a third row first column element in the product AB. Minus 6 into 1, it is a minus 6. 9 into 2, it is a plus 18, and minus 4 into 3, it is a minus 12. Third row second column, minus 6 minus 3, sorry, minus 6, 3, it is a minus 18. 9 into 2, it is a plus 18. It is a plus 0, minus 4 into 0. Now, third row, third column, minus 6 into minus 1, it is a 6. 9 into minus 1, it is a minus 9. And minus 4 into minus 1, it is a plus 4. Okay, and then it is, here it is a 1, it is a 0 and 0. 0, 1, and it is 0. Again here it is 0. It is a 0 and it is 1. And now it is equation number 1. It is a into B. Now we find B into A. Here the matrix B, 1, 3, minus 1, 2, 2, minus 1, and 3, 0, minus 1, it is a B. And A, it is minus 2, 3, minus 1, minus 1, 2, minus 1, minus 6, 9, minus 4. Now, here we find B into A. Here it is a into B. Now we find B into A. Okay, here same procedure, first row, first column, then first row, second column, first row, third column. First row, first column, 1, 3, minus 1, and it is a minus 2, minus 1, minus 6. Okay, see carefully. 1 into minus 2, it is a minus 2, plus 3 into minus 1, it is a minus 3, and minus 1 into minus 6, it is a plus 6. Then first row, second column, it is a 3 plus 6 and minus 9. 1 into 3, 3. 3 into 2, 6, and minus 1 into 9, it is a minus 9. Then first row, third column, minus 1 into 1, it is a minus 1. 1 into minus 1. Then 3 into minus 1, again minus 3. And minus 1 into minus 4, it is a plus 4. Okay, now it is a first row, first column, first row, second column, and it is a first row, third column. Now second row, first column, 2 into minus 4, it is a minus, 2 into minus 2, it is a minus 4. 2 into minus 4, it is 2 into minus 1, it is a minus 2. And 1 into minus 6, it is a plus 6. Okay, then second row, second column, 6, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 2, plus 4. And minus 1 into 9, it is a minus 9. Okay, now second row, third column, 2 into minus 1, minus 2. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. And minus 1 into minus 4, it is a plus 4. Okay, now third row, first column, minus 6 plus 0, and it is a plus 6. Third row, first column, minus 6, 0, and it is a plus 6. Then third row, second column, 9 plus 0, and it is a minus 9. 3 into 3, 9. 0 into 2, 0, and minus 1 into 9, it is minus 9. Then third row, third column, minus 3 plus 0, and it is a plus 4. And then it is B into A is, again the calculation is same, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and it is 0, 0, 1. It is equation number 2, and from 1 and 2. A into B is equal to B into A, and the product of these two, it is identity matrix. That means A and B are the inverse of the each other. Inverse of the matrix we have learned in class 12. Okay, now we see the next example. Okay, see carefully and write down it. Okay, now we see the next example. Next, show that A into B is equal to B into A, where A is cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. And B cos theta, so it is, we take cos phi minus sin phi, then sin phi cos phi. Okay. Here in the first matrix there is angle is theta, and in the second there is a phi. Okay. Now first we find A into B. Okay, see carefully. First we find A into B. It is cos theta minus sin theta into cos theta into cos phi minus sin phi cos phi. Okay. Now we take the multiplication of these two matrices. Okay, here same procedure, first row first column. Then here see carefully, first row first column, it is cos theta into cos phi plus, but here it is a minus, therefore minus sin theta sin phi. Okay. Now first row second column minus, okay, here cos theta and it is sin, minus, we can write sin theta first, sin phi cos theta, and minus cos phi sin theta. Okay, here only the multiplication, first row first column it is, and then first row it is a second column. Okay, both are the minus. Now then second row first column, sin theta cos phi plus cos theta sin phi. Second row first column. Now second row second column minus sin theta sin phi and plus cos theta cos phi. Okay, here now if there are the number in the last example, there are replaced by the cos theta sin theta are the numbers, therefore here 2 into 3 we take 6, 4 into 5 we take 20 and then subtract them. But here the sin theta and cos theta are the given, the constant values are not given. Okay, here we use the trigonometric formulas for the summation of the angle, that is addition and subtraction of the angle. Okay, see carefully only the formulas. Okay, here sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Then second formula for the subtraction of the angle, it is a sin A minus B, same it is sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. Okay, it is the formula for the addition of the angle and subtraction of the angle, sin A plus B, and it is a cos A plus B. Okay, now then cos A plus B and cos A minus B. Cos A plus B, see carefully the formula, cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. cos A minus B. It is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Okay, here see carefully the trigonometric formulas for the addition and subtraction of the angles. Sin A plus B, and it is sin A minus B. Cos A plus B, and it is a cos A minus B. In the sin A plus B or sin A minus B, there is one sin and one cos, that is sin A cos B and cos A sin B. Sin A cos B, cos A sin B. If the addition and subtraction, if addition it is addition, and if subtraction it is a subtraction. In cos A plus B or cos A minus B, both are the cos and both are the sin. Cos A cos B, sin A sin B. Cos A cos B, sin A sin B. But प्लस असलं तर मायनस आणि मायनस असलं तर प्लस. ओके, आता हे ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फॉर्म्युले आपल्याला पेपर फर्स्टच्या 3rd चॅप्टरमध्ये पाहिजेत. म्हणजे चॅप्टरचं नाव आहे ट्रिग्नोमेट्री सेकंड. ओके, हे फॉर्म्युले आपल्याला त्याच्यात पाहिजेत. ॲडिशन अँड सबट्रॅक्शन ऑफ द अँगल्स. ओके, तुम्हाला 10वीपर्यंत 0, 30, 60, 45, त्याच्यानंतर 45च्या नंतर 60 आणि 90 या अँगलच्या व्हॅल्यू झाल्या होत्या. त्याच्या पुढच्या अँगलच्या व्हॅल्यू काढण्यासाठी सपोज तुम्हाला 120 या अँगलची व्हॅल्यू काढायची, तर या 120ला कोणत्या फॉर्ममध्ये लिहिणार? इट इज अ 30 + 90. ओके, 90ची व्हॅल्यू माहिती आहे तुम्हाला आणि त्याच्यानंतर 30ची व्हॅल्यू माहिती आहे. म्हणजे सपोज तुम्हाला जर साईन 120ची व्हॅल्यू काढायची तर त्याला असं लिहायचं साईन 30 + 90. ओके, और 90 + 30. ओके, आणखीन एक 90 आणि अलाइड अँगलचा फॉर्म्युला आहे, पण हा फॉर्म्युला कसा यूज करायचा ते सांगतो. अँड देन याला कसं लिहिणार? हे ए आणि हे बी, ए आणि बी, देअरफॉर इट इज साइन 30 cos 90 प्लस cos 30 अँड साइन 90. ओके, आणि cos 30 साइन 90 आणि साइन 30 आणि cos 90 ह्या व्हॅल्यू तुम्हाला माहिती आहेत. ओके, 9वी आणि 10वी दोन्हीलाही झालेले आहेत. फक्त इथे व्हॅल्यू ठेवायच्या, तुम्हाला साइन 120ची व्हॅल्यू मिळून जाईल. ओके, म्हणजे पुढच्या अँगलच्या व्हॅल्यू काढण्यासाठी हे फॉर्म्युले यूज करायचे आहेत. हे आपल्याला डिटेलमध्ये पाहायचे आहेत, हे पेपर फर्स्टच्या 3rd चॅप्टरमध्ये. ओके, नाव आता हे फॉर्म्युले 4 फॉर्म्युले आपल्याला इथे यूज करायचे आहेत. एच्या जागावर थिटा आणि बीच्या जागावर फाय. एच्या जागावर थिटा घ्या आणि बीच्या जागावर फाय. तर हा सरळ सरळ फॉर्म्युला आहे थिटा मायनस फायचा. ओके, हिअर हा फॉर्म्युला पहा. cos A cos B sin A sin B cos A plus B दॅट इज cos थिटा प्लस फाय. ओके, हा सरळ सरळ फॉर्म्युला. पण हे दोन्ही मायनस असे फॉर्म्युले कुठंच नाहीत. ओके, त्याला फक्त थोडंसं सिम्प्लिफाय लिहितो. हिअर पहिला तर फॉर्म्युला ॲज इट इज आहे, दॅट इज cos थिटा cos फाय मायनस साइन थिटा साइन फाय. ओके, देन ह्या दोन्ही एलिमेंटमधून मायनस कॉमन घेऊ. मायनस कॉमन घेतल्यावर काय राहणार? साइन फाय और it can take it as a theta first. Okay, here sin theta cos phi plus cos theta sin phi. Okay, here टर्म तीच लिहिलेली आहे. मायनस कॉमन घेतलं, हे sin theta cos phi, sin theta cos phi, and here cos theta sin phi. It is a cos theta sin phi. Then it is sin theta cos phi and cos theta sin phi. हा सुद्धा फॉर्म्युला आहे. हे ॲज इट इज राहू देऊ. cos theta sin theta cos phi. Here sin theta cos phi, sin theta into cos phi minus it is a plus cos theta sin phi. ओके, देन आता इथं ही टर्म पुढे लिहू आणि ही टर्म इकडे लिहू. मायनस कॉमन घ्यायची गरज नाही. ओके, cos थिटा साइन फाय पुढे लिहू. cos थिटा साइन फाय आणि मायनस साइन थिटा साइन फाय. ओके, आणि फक्त थिटाच्या जागेवर ए आणि फायच्या जागेवर बी ठेवा, तुम्हाला हे फॉर्म्युले मिळतील या टाईपमध्ये. हिअर इट इज अ cos theta minus phi. here it is minus, it is a plus. ओके, कॉसच्या फॉर्म्युल्यात मायनस असलं तर प्लस, प्लस असलं तर मायनस, आणि साईनचे फॉर्म्युले ॲज इट इज. ओके, देन आता पुन्हा इकडं हा फॉर्म्युला आहे साईनचा, देअरफॉर मायनस साईन थिटा प्लस फाय, थिटा प्लस फाय. देन आता पुन्हा इथं साईनचा फॉर्म्युला साईन ए कॉस बी, कॉस ए साईन बी, इथं फॉर्म्युला येईल साईन थिटा प्लस फाय, आणि पुन्हा इकडं कॉस थिटा प्लस फाय. ओके, आणि हा झाला मॅट्रिक्स 1. हे काय फक्त ए इंटू बी, ए इंटू बी. नाव आपल्याला काढायचे बी इंटू ए. ओके, हे फॉर्म्युले फक्त कम्पेअर करा. ओके, नाव बी इंटू ए. See carefully. B, we can take first. It is a B. Cos phi minus sin phi. Sin phi cos phi. ओके, हा बी मॅट्रिक्स आधी लिहिला. ओके, आता त्याच्यानंतर ए मॅट्रिक्स, हा ए मॅट्रिक्स कॉस थिटा मायनस साइन थिटा, त्याच्यानंतर साइन थिटा कॉस थिटा. ओके, हे दोन मॅट्रिक्स काहीच नाही, हा मॅट्रिक्स बी आहे आणि हा मॅट्रिक्स ए. आता घ्यायचं दोन्हीचं प्रॉडक्ट. ओके, अँड देन सी केअरफुली. ओके, प्रॉडक्ट लिहिलो. फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम, फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम. थिटा सुरुवातीला लिहिलो आपण, इकडे सगळे थिटा सुरुवातीला घेतलेत, थिटा सुरुवातीला लिहिलो. कॉस फाय इंटू कॉस थिटा, देअरफॉर इट इज cos theta into cos phi. Okay, then second element minus sin theta into sin phi. Okay, हे झालं तुमचा फर्स्ट रो आणि इट इज अ फर्स्ट कॉलम. सी केअरफुली. या पहिल्या रो न पहिल्या कॉलम मधल्या एलिमेंटला मल्टिप्लाय केलं. cos phi cos theta, it is cos theta cos phi. sin phi sin theta, it is sin phi sin theta, but here it is minus, you can take minus. Now फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम, सेम प्रोसिजर. ओके, माइनस साइन थिटा कॉस फाय. ओके, आणि पुन्हा हे मायनस मायनस कॉस थिटा साइन फाय. ओके, मल्टिप्लिकेशन फर्स्ट रो आणि हा सेकंड कॉलम. ओके, नाव आता सेकंड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम साइन फाय कॉस थिटा, यू कॅन राईट it is a cos theta into sin phi, then plus sin theta into cos phi. Okay, then पुन्हा सेम minus sin theta cos phi, sin phi. Okay, here sin phi आणि sin theta, it is product. त्याच्यानंतर cos theta आणि हे cos phi cos theta प्लस cos theta into cos phi. ओके, देन आता हाच प्रॉडक्ट इथे लिहिलो. therefore b into a is equal to, ओके, केअरफुली पहा, here cos theta into cos phi minus sin theta into sin phi. ओके, हियर आता पहिला एलिमेंट कॉस थिटा कॉस फाय साइन थिटा साइन फाय. कंपेअर विथ दिस फॉर्म्युला कॉस ए प्लस बी. ओके, कॉस ए कॉस बी मायनस साइन ए साइन बी, कॉस थिटा कॉस फाय मायनस साइन थिटा साइन फाय. म्हणजे याला काय लिहिता येते आपल्याला, कॉस थिटा प्लस फाय. इथे डायरेक्टली लिहितो कॉस थिटा प्लस फाय, थिटा प्लस फाय. नाउ the second here we can take minus common. ओके, आता याच्यातून जर तुम्ही मायनस कॉमन घेतलं तर हे काय साइन थिटा कॉस फाय आणि प्लस कॉस थिटा साइन फाय. याच्यातून मायनस कॉमन घेतल्याच्या नंतर म्हणजे साइन थिटा कॉस फाय आणि कॉस थिटा साइन फाय, साइन ए कॉस बी प्लस कॉस ए साइन बी. म्हणजे तुमचा सेकंडचा फॉर्म्युला काय होते, हियर आपण मायनस कॉमन गेलो. मग मायनस कॉमन घेतलं काय राहणार, साइन थिटा कॉस फाय प्लस cos theta sin phi. ओके, हियर मायनस आणि मायनस हे दोन्ही कॉमन घेतले, व्यवस्थित पहा, कॉमन घेतले. त्याच्यानंतर कम्पेअर करा हा फॉर्म्युला आणि हा फॉर्म्युला. म्हणजे याला काय लिहिते ते साइन थिटा प्लस फाय. ओके, डायरेक्टली लिहू मायनस साइन थिटा प्लस फाय मायनस साईन थिटा प्लस फाय. त्याच्यानंतर आता पुन्हा याला फक्त उलटं लिहा. साईन थिटा कॉस फाय आणि कॉस थिटा साईन फाय. हे होते साईन थिटा प्लस फाय. आणि आता लास्ट पुन्हा सेम याच्यासारखंच. मायनस आधी होतं, प्लस नंतर ते प्लस पुढं घ्या आणि मायनस इकडे घ्या. इथं फॉर्म्युला होते कॉस थिटा प्लस फाय. कॉस थिटा प्लस फाय. ओके, and it is equation number 2. And from 1 and 2, AB is equal to BA. AB is equal to BA. आता याच्यात फक्त आपण ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फॉर्म्युलेज यूज केलेत आणि हे ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फॉर्म्युले हे 4 यूज केलेत. ॲडिशन अँड सबट्रॅक्शन ऑफ द अँगल्स. ओके, आता हे आपल्याला डिटेलमध्ये पाहायचेच आहेत आपल्या 3rd चॅप्टरमध्ये. ओके, आपण 4th चॅप्टर सुरू केलेलं आहे. ओके, 3rd चॅप्टरमध्ये हे फॉर्म्युले पाहायचेच आहेत. आता हा प्रॉब्लेम फक्त केअरफुली पहा आणि या फॉर्म्युलेसोबत कम्पेअर करा. ओके.